Um, this project started with looking at the Great Basin as a place for settlement of people. And my mother's side of the family was a bit of a mystery growing up. They were some of the original Mormon settlers who sought refuge in Utah, southern Utah. And that project grew out of a curiosity about why people settle places that are not welcoming to society. Which is really just across the Utah-Colorado border before it starts. The river's kind of very much into its red country at this point, and still mostly wild. It hasn't run into any of the large reservoirs yet. But this is a mineral extraction mine for potash, which is used in fertilizer mostly, and a bunch of other industrial purposes. But it's, to me, this is kind of an ironic, sort of ironic example of the entire system of pulling fertilizer from a landscape that can't really grow anything underneath it, aside from some grass and sagebrush. It's a complicated ecosystem that not only supports human systems very well. And this is, the whole purpose of this project is that this is geographically specific but universal in its message, and this is going on everywhere. We take ancient sea salts from very desolate areas and fertilize other areas. And so that's kind of that. It's also in a, this is located right behind one of the most popular outdoor recreation spots in the country. And it really, to me, represents this conflict between what we see as the ideal Western American landscape and what we're actually doing there. Color film, cool negative film. It's an old process. It's an old process of photographing. The cameras are, aside from the ones in here, they're very much the old design of the bellows and tripod. But all the technology is very new. The lenses are modern. The film is modern. Relatively, I guess. And then the film is digitized. So the entire images are